विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. वर्स सोंपत्यार राज्यांत खुबशे पर्यटक प्रवास करतात, पण साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे प्राधिकरणान 2 ट्रेनी घाल्यात. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
Actually, we all know that a lot of tourists, particularly from Bangalore area, visits during the Christmas bar New Year celebrations in Goa. So Southwestern Railway, in order to clear the extra rush, is running a Tatkal special train from Yashwantpur on 28 December. The train leaves 1800 hours on the date and reaches Vasco at 9 hours next day. On the return direction after the New Year, the train leaves Vasco at 20:40 hours on 1/1 and reaches Yelahanka at 11:45 hours on the next day.
These are only Tatkal trains, sir.
This is a Tatkal train. It will be on the fare will be on Tatkal rates.